Okay, listen, I really can't make this shit up, and this is for real. So we're at the Midtown right here, and this is like obviously the lower budget hotels. As you can see right here, we got a key. When you have a key, you know that it's going to be a little low budget. No big deal. This car right here's got hail damage. We got a Breaking Bad van over there that somebody's cooking meth in. But this is no shit. I went in my room. I'm 120.
Our bags are still out here.
Our bags are still here. I walked in here. There's a towel laying right here. Remote control on the bed. Somebody's been sleeping on there. Okay? Like you can see the clothes. There's a Budweiser there. Drawer open. We got a shirt hanging in here. I don't know whose shirt it is. Another Budweiser. And a turd in the toilet. Like, I've slept in some shit. Like, I have really slept in some shit, but... Alright, so we're going to go into Scott's room real quick.
That looks fine.
Yeah, look at your shit. Your bed's all made.
That couldn't
nice.
have been any better.
Look how nice his room is. I'm serious. Mine looks like a crackhead's been living in it.
I kind of think that I
Like,
might...
I'm not kidding. Like, I don't even have towels.
There's not a freezer in
Look,
there.
you got towels. I don't have
I
towels.
think it's a complete freezer.
Let's see. You got a turd in your toilet? You're good. You don't even have a shit in your toilet.
There's not a shit in the toilet? I'm kind of
So,
thinking,
like...
they went and copied the key, I think.
Something.
Somebody went and copied the key.
Yeah, they did. They copied the
And
key.
they've been hanging out in it. They're like, nobody's going to stay in
So if you
122.
guys... Tell me your worst experience. I've had some good ones. But that literally had a turd in the toilet. 2 Budweisers, some guy's shirt, and just the
Pretty
bed
sure
looks like
somebody's
somebody's been
living over
bouncing on it.
What
yeah.
was it, 120?
Yeah, 120. Don't ever stay in 120.
120.
All right, so we're gonna go down and cause a little havoc about the Budweisers and the turd in my toilet. Like, what the frick, man? Like, you can't even plunge the toilet. Like, I think he's a nice guy, but we're gonna go see
what happens.
We're gonna go down here
See
and have
if
a
we
little
can get
meeting.
another room, or I'm honestly, best outcome would be just canceling that room, and I'm gonna sleep with Scott because I'm a little nervous about staying by myself.
I'm almost like thinking the crackhead's gonna climb through my window in the middle of the night because he's been living in there. All right, here we go. All right, so went over and seen Arlen over there at the. He's the manager at the big Midway here. Where we at?
Hello,
What town we in?
Kearney.
Kearney.
It's
We're in
Kearney, Nebraska.
Kearney, Nebraska. Anyway, problem with the key is they remake them, and then when you remake them, you come back, and you know, of course, some of these people that stay for the night think they can stay for all year. But there's a turd in the toilet. All my towels were gone. The beds were slept in. There was 2 Budweisers sitting on the counter. Check out this old school bathroom. Look at this shit. You know the toilet lid doesn't match the toilet. No turd though. There is a plunger. There's 2 plungers, as a matter of fact. Look at this big ass refrigerator. Like, that is a big ass refrigerator. Like, no wonder why they stay here forever. All right, so we're out here in the parking lot because we're just making sure our truck's not going to get broke into because we got a little meth lab right here. Yeah, the little meth lab, and then you know, here's where we're staying. I mean, it's pretty sweet, right? But I noticed the sign right here. If you guys want to read that real quick. Yeah. Thanks for the support and voting for us in the best of Kearney. So, if you guys are looking for a good experience and you want to stay in Kearney at the Midwest Western Inn, check it out. You might get a turd in your toilet. There is 2 plungers though. All right, well, I'm about ready to hit the rack. It's about 10:30 here, and I just noticed I was laying in this bed, and I think every board in the bed's broke from a 30-year of just getting beat down in here. Maybe 50 years, I don't know. Yeah, so if you're female and you come here, protect yourself. There's a good chance you might get pregnant sleeping in one of these beds. This is room 121. It's, yeah, there's probably all kinds of DNA and shit all over the place in here. I haven't decided. I think I'm just going to lay my flannel down and sleep on that tonight. But, anyway, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow, but hope you enjoyed this because, by golly, I'm sure enjoying it.